Right, this is the Fokker Eindecker from Airfix. I built it months ago, and then had an absolute pegging nightmare with the trying to do the rigging using different threads and elastics. Nearly pulled the wing off a couple of times, and oh my goodness, it was an absolute pain in the bum. So it got put on the shelf of doom, and well, I've just decided to pick it up again. I don't think I did a video on it before. Oh, it's lost its propeller. Maybe that's up there. Well, that's oh well, doesn't matter right now. So I'm sure I've got a spare somewhere. But yeah, so a brainwave a couple of days ago. So I was thinking about it, yeah, the brainwave was, why don't you try and do the rigging with stretched sprue? So yeah, I stretched out a load of sprue, as you can see. And I'm having a go. I'm a little bit annoyed about how droopy that wing is, but I might be able to prop it from underneath or something. I'm not entirely sure. Yeah, so stretch sprue and super glue. Let's rock and roll with it, shall we? Right, I don't know whether or not it's going to be worth it trying to film from that angle, but we'll have a play. Give or take there. A little bit long. Well, I'm not going to bore you with the whole thing. I think I'm just going to do one and then switch off again. It's only going to be a short video. Probably end up pulling them all off and starting again. Right, where's that puddle of super glue gone? There it is. Aye. Yeah, might have to redo it with the wings slightly higher, but I'll see if I can get away with that. But yeah, I'm quite happy with that. I'll bring it back when I've finished it. Right, so I flipped it upside down, did the underside first. So there's the 8 struts for the underside using super glue. I'm going to give that 10 minutes to set. I know it's super glue, but you know, still needs time to set. Then I'll flip it up the right way and see how the top rigging looks. Whether I need to redo it and then do the other side at the top. So yeah, I'll bring it back when I'm done. Very happy. Alright, there we go. Rigging done. I'm very, very pleased with how that came out. It's not perfect, but then again, when you look at it from back here, it looks pretty damn close. And as always with biplanes in any scale, you add the rigging and it just brings them to life. I am very, very happy with that. You see, I found the prop as well. So yeah, nice little video. I said I don't think I recorded the rest of the build. I'll have a quick check on my computer. You might, if I did, then you'd have watched it before this bit. If not, then well, not. Hope you enjoyed this little one. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Leave me a comment, and please feel free to look back through my videos. There's plenty of other stuff on there, lots of different model builds, various camping adventures, hiking, a couple of motorbike adventures as well. I aim to do more of them soon, once I've worked out how to rig the camera onto my new bike. But yeah, take it easy. Thank you very much indeed, and I'll see you on the next one very soon. See you later. Ta-da.